Welcome to our PFAFF 160th Anniversary Christening Gown Sew-Along. I'm your host, Alicia Welcher. Over the next 5 weeks, we will be creating this beautiful gown or a matching child's dress, plus a simple slip to go underneath. Our child's dress is very similar to this christening gown, except that it is, of course, much shorter, and it showcases a 4-inch flat hem instead of the pintucked ruffle that is present on our christening gown. During this sew-along, I am going to be bringing you several video tutorials that were taped right here in my own sewing room. These tutorials are going to show you various techniques that were used to create this gown, and they will also highlight several of my favorite features of this amazing PFAFF Creative Icon 2 sewing and embroidery machine. I am so glad that you have decided to join me. Let's get started.